empires, before there were oceans, mountains, forests, or deserts, before humanity ever looked toward the heavens. There was no sunrise, no sunset, no passing of time, no moon to illuminate the night, no stars to decorate the endless sky, no birds soaring through the air, no rivers carving through valleys, no living creature, no earth beneath our feet, only silence, an emptiness beyond imagination. Since the dawn of civilization, people have searched for answers to one of humanity's oldest questions. How did everything begin? Every ancient culture sought an explanation. The Egyptians believed creation emerged from the primordial waters. The Babylonians told stories of cosmic battles between powerful gods. The Greeks imagined order rising from chaos itself. Across continents and centuries, civilizations preserved their own traditions about the beginning of the world. Yet, one account has shaped history more than almost any other. It has influenced kings and kingdoms, artists and philosophers, scientists and explorers. It has inspired some of the greatest works of literature ever written. And today, billions of people around the world are familiar with its opening words. 4 simple words. In the beginning. The book of Genesis opens with a description unlike any other. Before there was order, the earth was described as formless, empty, covered in darkness. An endless deep stretched in every direction. No mountains rose above the waters. No continents existed. No horizon separated sea from sky. Everything remained hidden within silence. Nothing moved, nothing lived, everything waited. Then, the story tells us, creation began. Whether viewed through faith, history, or the profound influence this story has had on civilizations, its opening remains one of the most recognizable passages ever recorded. For thousands of years, generations have returned to this moment, wondering what happened at the beginning of everything. This is where our journey begins. According to Genesis, the very first act of creation was astonishingly simple. There were no tools, no armies, no struggle, only a command. And with that command, everything changed. The ancient text records these words, "Let there be light," and there was light. Light pierced the darkness. For the first time, the universe was no longer consumed by endless night. Darkness still remained, but it no longer ruled alone. The story tells us that the light was separated from the darkness. The light was called day. The darkness became night, and with the passing of evening and morning, the first day came to an end. For the first time, time itself had meaning. A rhythm had begun, one that continues even now, thousands of years later. Yet creation was far from complete. According to the account, the world remained covered in water. There was no open sky, no clouds drifting overhead, no birds, no rain, no atmosphere as we know it today, only an endless expanse of deep waters. Then, the second day arrived. Genesis describes the Creator separating the waters below from the waters above. Between them, an expanse appeared, the heavens, the sky. For the first time, the world possessed an open horizon. Blue stretched endlessly overhead. Clouds drifted peacefully across the heavens. The stage was now prepared for everything that would follow.